guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee, and today I'm back with another video. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to make 3 beautiful items for the outdoor from the Dollar Tree. So we're going to DIY, guys. Today I'm going to make an ornament with this beach ball here, this multi-purpose ball. I'm going to use this foil tin, and I'm also going to use a hanger. And you want to make sure that you have the metal hanger to do this. The second item that I'm going to make is a candy cane. And for the candy cane, you need a pool noodle, you need a white tape, you also need something to stick it in the ground, and you're going to need a piece of thread. You can use whatever thread of your choice. I'm using blue thread because that's what I have. For the third item, I'm going to make a lollipop. So for the lollipop, you need 2 pool noodle. You also need a bowl. Perfect. It's your choice. You don't have to put a bowl in it. Then you also need a clear wrap. So it's like a candy. So you want to wrap up your candy, right? Then you're going to need a piece of stick or whatever you have at home to stick it in the ground. I'm using a PVC pipe to stick my candies in the ground. So let's get into the video. All right, so we're gonna make the ornament as the first one. So as I said, these are the 3 items that you need. First thing you're gonna do is to use your hot glue gun to just put on a little glue on it. If you don't have the glue gun, you can always use other glue. Like the super glue, you can use that to hold it, or whatever glue you have. Be careful, especially if you're using the hot glue. So guys, you want to make sure that you apply it immediately after you add the glue to it so that it can stick. All right, there we go. I guess so to put on the top part, which is the hanger, you just want to make sure that you cut it to your liking. If you want it to be bigger, then you can make it bigger, but I just want a small piece. I don't want to overdo it. I'm just gonna put some hot glue on it. So after you do that, what you just want to do is to apply it immediately so the glue can dry on it. Just hold it on for a little. So to secure it, you just want to put some glue around it just to be safe. So just hold on it until it's dry. So as you can see, this one is finished. It's just simple and beautiful, and it's nice for the outdoors. So guys, you just want to wrap on the bias of the candy cane. Alright guys, so once you finish wrapping the candy cane, what you're gonna do now is to bend it, right? Because you're making a candy, right? And a candy cane normally have a little bend to it. So after you bend it, what you're gonna do is to use a piece of thread to secure it. And that's how you make your candy cane, and that was so easy. This was less than 2 minutes to make the candy cane. So guys, now to make your lollipop, what you need is the two pool noodles, and you're going to first put some hot glue on it so you can secure it. All right, just to hold them in place, just put a little glue on it, and then you're gonna secure it. After you secure it with the hot glue, what you're gonna do is to use some of this same white tape and this white duct tape, all right? And you just wanna cover that area so you can secure it. So after you do that now, what you wanna do, guys, is to wrap your tape and the bias, just like I did for the candy cane. You just want to wrap the tape on the bias as well. All right, guys, so this is it when you finish wrapping it. So after you finish wrapping it, the next step is to bend the pool noodle in a circular motion. But before you do that, you want to put a little hot glue on it so you can secure it. Each time you bend it, just apply some glue on it. Guys, make sure you have someone to help you to do this because this one can be a little hectic and you have to work fast with this one. When you're making this, just use a rubber band to secure it, and I just learned that in the last part of doing this because I realized that I'm not applying enough pressure in it. So I'm just gonna do is to put the glue on it, and after I put the glue, then I take a rubber band and I just use it to secure it. Just leave it there for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's dry. Then you just can go ahead and then just cut out the part to put the stick in it. All right, guys, so now it's more than 15 minutes that I have it on. So what I'm gonna do is to cut the elastic band. As you can see, it's now secured. What I'm going to do is to slit right here just to make an X with the scissors. Make sure it goes down to the second one because that's how far you want to put the stick in it. Alright, so there it is, guys, secured. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is to wrap my lollipop. Alright, guys, so you just want to make sure that you wrap this after you put your clear wrap around your lollipop. You just want to use a piece of tape. So on the other side, it's gonna have some extra piece. What you can do is to use some of the hot glue just to hold it in place, or you can use some clear wrap if you have some. Alright, guys, so the next step is to just put on the bowl. But look, this bowl is so ugly, and this dough is just, you just take away the beauty of it. So I'm not gonna use that bowl, but instead I'm gonna use this ribbon here, and I'm gonna tie a bow. Guys, so here is my finished product, and there's my lollipop. I really like it, so cute, and my candy cane, and here is my ornament. It is so pretty. I really truly like it. So you know, you can decorate your outdoors by just using some Dollar Tree items and do some DIYs at home, and you can have your friends over, or you can do this with your kids. And these are so beautiful.